to do. So every time you want to start something meaningful, you will hear that voice. So I'm here to tell you to just not follow it. It's not easy because you can hear it every day, every minute, every second. Everything you do, you can hear that voice, and it's very discouraging. But if you don't have the tools to separate yourself from that voice, you really can't believe that it's like a message from somewhere telling you, oh, this is a bad idea. You have had for a very long time the same dream, like for example open restaurants, but because you have a family, you have children under the age of 5, this voice is telling you, oh, if you're trying to do this restaurant, who's gonna take care of your family, who's gonna take care of your children, if you try it and it doesn't work, so you're gonna lose a lot of money and you're gonna end up sleeping on the streets with your children. So when you hear something like that and you're not sure if your idea is actually going to work, you're gonna stop for sure. Let's say most people are going to stop, me included, when I didn't know. And yeah, so today just try to remember this every time you hear that voice, or everything you do sucks. Just try to remember that this is not you. This is something that is trying to keep you safe.